Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something incredibly useful for anyone who's had a little mishap with their DJI Mini 2 drone. We've got here a full set of replacement body parts, specifically designed for the Mini 2 and Mavic Mini 2. This isn't just a single piece. It's a comprehensive kit that includes the arms, the main body shell, the middle frame, the bottom shell, and the upper cover. Essentially, it's everything you need to potentially bring a damaged drone back to life, or at least replace the major external components. This particular set comes from the brand OHCVEG, listed under the model name XINL-INC-CHING. It's marketed towards adults, which makes sense given it's a repair part for a sophisticated piece of equipment. The color is described simply as full set, implying you get all the necessary pieces in the standard drone color. One of the standout features highlighted is its lightweight nature. The entire set is listed at just 50 grams. Now, while the listed dimensions of 3 by 2 by 1 inches seem more like packaging than the actual parts laid out, the emphasis on being lightweight is crucial. When you're dealing with a drone like the Mini 2, every gram matters for flight performance and battery life. Adding heavy replacement parts would defeat the purpose of its sub-250 gram classification. The description also talks about high-strength construction, providing both lightness and rigidity. This is vital because the body shell isn't just cosmetic. It's the structural backbone that holds all the sensitive electronics and motors in place. You need it to be strong enough to withstand the stresses of flight and potential minor bumps, yet light enough not to impede performance. Furthermore, it mentions high endurance and flexibility for great impact. This suggests the material is designed to absorb some shock in the event of an accidental landing or collision, potentially preventing more severe internal damage. It's not indestructible, of course, but having parts that can flex rather than shatter immediately is a definite plus. These are explicitly repair parts, intended for accidental damage replacement. The idea is to make repairs more worry-free. Instead of having to send your drone off for potentially expensive and time-consuming professional repairs for body damage, someone with a bit of technical skill can potentially swap out the damaged sections themselves using this kit. This could be a significant cost saver and get you back in the air much faster. The parts are described as durable and not easy to deform, which is exactly what you want for structural components. They should maintain their shape and integrity over time and through various flight conditions. The fact that they add no extra burden on flying reinforces the lightweight design and proper engineering for this specific drone model. Installation is noted as being easy. While easy can be subjective depending on your experience with drone repair, it implies that the parts are designed to fit correctly and don't require specialized tools or complex modifications beyond the standard disassembly and reassembly process for the Mini 2. Having a full set like this means you don't have to hunt down individual pieces if multiple parts of the body were damaged in an incident. It provides a complete solution for external shell repair. For anyone who loves flying their Mini 2, but has unfortunately experienced a crash or hard landing resulting in cracked or broken body components, this full replacement set appears to be a very practical and necessary item to have on hand or to purchase when a need arises. It offers the potential to restore the drone's structural integrity and appearance, getting it ready for flight again without the significant cost of a full drone replacement.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.